Hi guys, this is backend, back office kind of work process flow that I use with AI. So I thought, well, yeah, why not record that as well? So you know what the headquarters here is looking like for me. So I've just made a video on YouTube, which is a great ISO, the one I would download and install, which is basically a plasma with all the tiling window managers, right? That's number Kiro 077 on YouTube. And I'd like that to be on our website. So Ctrl+Alt+B is the website. So this is where it's all at. And let's copy paste something from my other screen, Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V. I'm hosting locally the server. So the website is locally always on, right? Localhost 8000. So I'd like to edit first. I edit here locally and then I push, right? I deploy, that's the exact term. Just shipped, blah, blah. This has been added this morning. So you see the Kiro ISO Builder, what does it do? Well, today, right? Yesterday didn't. Well, yesterday I was working on it. The day before that, it didn't. We have Budgie, Cinnamon, GNOME, all kinds of selections. This was already possible. So it improved massively, right? And we've just shown you that with the Plasma ISO. But what I like to do is also put, watch it in action, and here give you an example. So another, maybe a block here. I'd like to have Plasma as a video. I'd like to explore Cinnamon as a video. And maybe Mate, we'll see, right? But anyway, I want to add a video to this website. What do? I do Ctrl+Alt+T, C. Claude comes up. Then I copy paste the content, which is number 77. I say shareable link, Ctrl+Shift+V. Put this link on the website. That's it. I could say which page, that would make things faster, right? Otherwise, he's gonna say later on where should I put it. So this one is the build your own ISO HTML. Ctrl+Shift+V, enter, and I sit back. That's my work, sitting back and clicking. I do learn some words. Jitterbugging. This page has already a video. Design-wise, do I have an example? This one, right? Control, super, print screen. No, there's a better page in members, I think. Voila, that's good. Ctrl+Shift print screen. Click, go in here, replace the second one, type something, chat about this. I would like it beneath current video, and design-wise like this. Ctrl+V. More videos will follow. That is as much as my HTML knowledge is. I've typed a sentence. Got it. A card grid like the Kiro AI section below, beneath current video, built to grow as more videos come. Let me find that existing card design to mirror it. How cool is this? And all I need to do is switch around, right? Go back here to build your own ISO. So beneath this one, which is basically, guys, watch this one, lots of tips in here, but also it explains a little bit deeper what how everything is working in Kiro ISO Builder. It sets you off right in the right direction already. It's gonna get the video's duration to match the label format, like the members card. Right, look at that, YouTube download, etc., etc., etc. Recombobulating. Like I said, I'll learn English. If you can use that in a discussion. They look strange at you. What is he saying? Is he swearing? No, it's not. Look at that, right? This is, of course, all written by me. Yes, I say. And then we wait. 1, 2, 3, clack. There we are, right? More videos. A little bit of playful thing, right? You move over it, and a little bit of design. And if you click off and away, you are. And watch the video. So that's how I do things. So the last thing I do, if it's all good, I deploy. He's talking to me, so I should read. 2 notes for your call. I wrote the title in sentence case. Okay. Oh yeah. Boy, I have no problem with what you're doing right now. Happy to record. Preview is in a separate server. Reload to see it. Yes, I've done that. Okay, deploy. What does that mean? That means that the Kiro website is actually going to the website. This was locally. That's my folder. This one isn't. Kiroproject.be. Remember, Ctrl+Shift+R is not using the cache if you are have it open already, basically, right? And then down here, everybody sees now the video. Next one is going to be cinnamon. I want to have a beautiful cinnamon and play around with this one. I've themed plasma as well. It's now a beautiful plasma. Cheers.